Many features were introduced at MMS MOA. Um, I've spent the last week since MMS refining some of those features and have pushed an update today to the PowerShell gallery. Earlier this week, the 25H2 Windows 11 ESDs were updated to the May release. Within the last day, Surface driver packs are now dynamically updated, meaning you should always get the latest. Fortunately, I don't have any Surface test devices, but it should work. A couple new MMS MOA features were pushed out. There's a WinPE startup, which hopefully we can get some YouTube content detailing how to make this work. And OSDCloud Explorer, which is kind of a file explorer for WinPE, replacing the deprecated Microsoft Dart file explorer. All the documentation for these new functions is at the link there, and please sign up if you're attending this release show. Then we know you're already signed up to get updates from us, but there's a link at the bottom. Next slide, we can take a look at the WinPE startup and OSDCloud Explorer screenshot. So the WinPE startup will allow you to configure different environments for WinPE, so you can use OSDCloud V2, the latest version, as well as V1, the older version. You can write your own custom startup profiles and add multiple profiles to your boot image, and then select them on startup. On the lower right, you'll see the OSDCloud Explorer browsing these profiles on the X drive. It's pretty cool. One thing I didn't push out, I didn't get in the slides, is there's a new preview module, which I'm putting in chat. It's a new module called OS Deploy, which was an old module that's now being repurposed. This is a preview version, and I'll work on sharing with the community how to get this new version to build boot images. I'm putting a link in chat again to the new documentation for the new OS Deploy Preview PowerShell module. Again, thanks for attending. Thanks for joining us here, and thanks Recast for letting me piggyback on the Right Click Tools release.